Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? Welcome back. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the SPY ETF. We previously published a report on our website on Wednesday, December 13, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed and not miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 5.60. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 9.23%. This means that, on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.32% since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is positioned within a wide and weak rising trend, indicating a potential further increase. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 7.11% change over the next 3 months. The potential return falls within the range of -2.80% to 9.82%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 15.58% change over the next year. The potential return is expected to be between 2.94% and 18.54%. This translates to a price range of $484.28 to $557.67 after 1 year. Our latest update for SPY includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for SPY ETF Price After Wednesday Trading. On the last trading day, the SPY ETF price gained 1.37%, rising from $464.10 to $470.44. It has been on a 5-day winning streak. Now, we're eager to see if it can continue its upward momentum or take a brief pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the ETF's price fluctuated between a low of $464.12 and a high of $470.76, with a 1.43% variation. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has increased by 3.48% and has shown gains in 7 out of the last 10 days. Notably, both the volume and price increased on the last trading day, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 17 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 84 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $39.31 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $470.76, while the lowest price was $374.77. Currently, the price is 0.07% below the 52-week high, which is $0.320 lower, and 1.99% below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when it reached $479.98. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF has received positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $460.89 and $444.75. If the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 14.55%. Further rise is expected until a new top pivot is found. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, there are some negative signals that may influence the near short-term development. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. In the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet in a special combination. It is a very rare occurrence and is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is indicating a sell signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 33 days ago. Bollinger Bands have indicated a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average has shown a buy signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 27 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average has indicated a buy signal 30 days ago. The long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 13 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. Let's start with the downside. The ETF, SPY, has support levels just below today's level at $429.54 and $426.43. When an ETF tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, the next support levels for SPY are at $429.54 and $426.43. Furthermore, there is an additional support level at $412.55. It's important to note that SPY tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered to be very low in this stock. Looking at the last day, the ETF moved $6.64 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 1.43% change. Over the past week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 0.83%. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for SPY, so let's dive right in. When it comes to resistance, there's no significant barrier from accumulated volume above. This suggests that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume to help you determine the right time to exit. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $429.54. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the near future. Now let's take a look at our recommended stop loss for this ETF. We suggest setting it at $454.35, which represents a decrease of 3.42%. When considering the daily movements of this ETF, we find that they are relatively low. This indicates a lower level of risk compared to other investments. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 is currently at 79, which significantly increases the risk. Furthermore, a buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 32 days ago, adding to the positive outlook for this ETF. Should you consider buying the SPY ETF? The SPY ETF shows several positive signals and is currently experiencing a weak rising trend. As the well-known saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it could be a good choice at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. After carefully analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Thursday, December 14th, we expect the SPY ETF to open down by $2 and start trading at $468.44. Before we proceed, it's important to remember that trading comes with a significant risk of losing money. It's always a wise decision to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're excited to share our current view of the stock with you. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. Also, what is your target for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We genuinely wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a beautiful day. Warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.